Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today I actually took Christian to get his hair done, and you guys know, yes, I can braid, but I decided to get his hair professionally done because I wanted his braids to look a certain way for back to school. Now, if you guys don't know, this is my son. Yes, he has very long and very dense hair. He's also one of my children who is somewhat tender-headed. So I said this would be the perfect video for those of you who are parents who go through the same thing. And basically, we're just going to talk about some tips and tricks to assist you when you are dealing or handling your child's hair. Now, first things first, if you're new to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your notifications so you know when I upload a video or I'm on live. If by chance you're one of the people where you notice that you're not getting notifications and you have your notifications turned on, simply go and turn them off by clicking that bell and then re-click the bell to turn the notifications back on, and that will more than likely help to fix that problem. Anyhow, so let's talk a little bit about kids' hair while we enjoy this beautiful braid down that Mila is doing. When you have a child's hair, no matter if it's a girl or a boy, there are specific things that are required. Number one, you want to make sure that you're giving them a thorough shampoo, because as parents, and because we know that our children are tender-headed, we typically like to try to skim the shampoo, not knowing that we're doing more damage than good. So you want to make sure that you are definitely shampooing your child's hair. Now, if your child is natural like my son, you want to make sure that you're utilizing a moisture system, such as the Moist Repair shampoo, conditioner, the Moist Me 24 Karat mask, those kinds of products. Why? Because most times children, their metabolism is extremely high. So everything that you put on their hair, it typically dissipates within minutes to hours of you actually doing that. So how you want to make sure that your child's hair is not dehydrated over time is to make sure that you are doing your wash day for your child with the Moist Repair system and using a processing cap and a hooded dryer. Now, another tip that I would definitely recommend is to oil your child's scalp at least twice per week. Now, I wouldn't say you need to do it every single day, but we have our hair repair and growth balm. It's nice and lightweight, so you are able to use it at least bi-weekly, so twice a week. And that's going to help to keep your child's scalp nice and healthy. Because remember, when we're getting braid styles, these braid styles are staying in 2 to 3 weeks. Some of you are doing even longer than that. When you are doing your child's hair or getting your child's hair done. Now, another pro tip that I would recommend is switch it up, guys. If you're used to getting your child's hair going back, meaning like braided back or braided to the side, you want to switch up the areas of tension because you don't want to run into the issue that we're having as adults right now. We're giving our children adult style hairdos, and we're creating an environment of alopecia, thinning, and balding at a very young age. So how you combat that, because as parents, you don't really have time to do hair every single day. So how you can combat that is switching your styles up whenever you are doing your styles. So if your child had a style that was going towards the back, from front to back, do something that's going from side to side to relieve the tension that you've already placed on the hair, going from front to back. Now, my last pro tip that I definitely recommend when you're dealing with children's hair is to ensure that you are putting their hair in some form of protector at night, whether it be a satin scarf, a bandana, a stocking cap, whatever works for you. Protect their hair just like you would protect yours. Not because they're a child, that doesn't mean that you can't start early and teach them how to maintain their hair and what is the standard of maintaining their hair. A lot of times we don't take that time to explain things for our children to understand why we do certain things. And this is super important, especially when you're dealing with children's hair care, to teach them from early how to do that without wondering or worrying what to do going forward when they become an adult. Now, I know this video was a little bit short, but I really just wanted to home in on child's hair care, which is the basics. Be sure to register for our hair care masterclass, which is this Sunday at elitehaircaremasterclass.com.